What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to collect in a bulk leads from potential customers and clients from region or location. Okay, so imagine that you are in New York City and you would like to sell something for all of the lawyers of some region of the city. You can go to Google Maps and collect the phone numbers, for example, for all those lawyers in a bulk in order to send a message, to send calling, to collect email and use some mailing system. So how to do this? How to collect those information? The leads information. Let's learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in your choose internet journal site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to Microsoft Edge browser. So this does not work on Google, this does not work on Firefox yet. So go to Microsoft Edge add-ons store. Okay, so this address right here, okay, Microsoft Edge, microsoft.com, the add-ons website. You're gonna be into a page like this one, and into search for all add-ons, you're gonna type Presto Lead, okay, just like this. Type enter, and we're gonna go to this extension right here, Presto Map Lead Extractor. We're gonna click on get it, add extension, so as you can see, here is the extension already working in my browser. Now what to do? Now is where the fun begins. Just go open Google Maps and type the city where you would like to collect the leads or the neighbor, okay? So for example, New York, United States, lawyers, okay? So here is the results I'm getting, okay? These ones. So imagine that I would like to collect all of the information of all of those leads in a bulk. Just open this extension right here. As you can see, we already collected 13. So let's export. We can use CSV or Excel. I'm gonna choose Excel. Download records. Now let's open the Excel to see the data. And here is all of the information we have. Name, local, phone number, that is the most important part for us or for some of us, and other very useful information that may help you, like address, for example. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Boris WordPress plugin. In the case that you are site using WordPress, you're gonna gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Our free WordPress theme, the Enzo WordPress theme, that is the best free WordPress theme you can download. In the case that you run a blog and would like to receive guest posts and publish guest posts, just go to growth.net. You're gonna be amazed with the connections you're gonna make, with the network, and with the capability of list your site right here, like all of those blogs I did. And in the case that you want to create your site faster, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go premium in order to unlock access to our template library that are pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, and many more pro features in order to use internet on our site favor and our full support. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.